as the heavyweight champ. And here I am, fat person, and I'm demonstrating how to make a chocolate sundae. First, take a scoop of this ice cream and put it in the dish.
Careful not to break the dish.
Okay. Now, we don't need another scoop. Then you take this chocolate and you put it all over it. Oh no, I tripped over the spoon. Pick that up. Let's pick that up. Oh no. Oh, that's close. Hey, this is great. Now, let's eat it. A little more chocolate. Let's eat it now. No. As you can see, this is very clean. Now, as I clean myself up here.
Oh, so.
Clean off my
Come
hands.
on.
Now, best things are Jell-O pudding pops. They're not messy. I can't seem to get this open.
Be careful not to poke your eye out. Go slow with that.
And now, we will eat this.
Careful. Come on. You choked him to death. Careful.
And that is the end of how to eat chocolate.